Another chestnut oak is up to bat. It's quite a bit larger, and it also has a decent shake ring. A shake ring is a separation of grain within the tree. They usually start at the butt, and they can clean up within 2 feet, but sometimes they go all the way to the top of the tree. Shake rings are normally caused by excessive wind. Due to the shake ring, this one is tricky to mill. I'll be ripping off all the clear boards that I can, and I'll be stopping once I get to the shake ring. And then I'll take a couple passes off that shake, just so you can see how it falls apart. I just end up spitting the whittled down block off the carriage. Sawing through shake rings can be very dangerous. I just didn't feel like risking it on this one.